Is your favorite musical song different to your favorite one to perform or play? Is your favorite musical song? Oh, so like, is our favorite song different than what we want to perform? Our favorite thing to perform? Hmm.
Oh God, my favorite song in the world. Yeah, probably. I don't have a favorite song. It's too hard for me to choose.
I don't
But
either.
but hmm, I like listening to people who can do totally different things than me. And then I also like listening to people that I'm like, oh, I can just sing along with you and just like fit right in. So I guess I don't know. I'm not giving a good answer. I guess yes and no. A lot there's stuff I love that I don't think would be very good if I performed it.
I understand.
Um,
Yep. Do you have a favorite Sondheim song?
oh man, that's also really hard. I am very partial to being alive.
I was gonna say Being Alive. How dare you?
I mean, it's real good.
It's so good. And when it switches from someone to somebody, just that lyric shift is so powerful. Yeah, so that's mine. That's definitely mine. Although I will say I was very partial to Send in the Clowns that
Hmm.
Donna did
Oh,
on the Sunday Night tribute. I was very partial to that version of Send in the Clowns also. That was
it,
that was a hard one to make work because really I needed to be in a room with her, like
uh-huh.
hearing her breathe and following her. We did
Sure.
many versions before we found one that could work.
Oh my
That was
gosh.
a lot of back and forth.
I can imagine.
Sometime in quarantine. It's a whole new thing. Okay, we've got,
Hours.
yeah. Here's one. What do you like most about fans, and what do you wish fans would stop doing?
Oh. Um, gosh. I mean, this is the first show I've done where I've actually like been an active participant in social media and like there have been fans. So I still feel kind of new to it. And it's so fun. It's so fun that people are excited and get joy from seeing the show and from connecting with us. So I guess I just love that we share the excitement and love for the same thing. Um, what do I wish fans would stop doing? As long as fans are positive, I don't know. It's all good.
Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I think what I love about fans is the passion in which they bring to recognizing that you can't replace live,
Yes.
which I think is the one thing that I most feel during this process. Like, I think we're coming up with our own versions of workarounds for what it is like in quarantine land, but you can never replace live. Live is just
No.
so special. It's just,
Yep.
it's the live is live. Um,
Yeah.
what was it like to hear Alanis? This is a question that came in. It's going well. What was it like to hear Alanis's version of Smiling for the first time since you were the first one to sing it?
Oh, I mean, it was awesome. I had the opportunity to hear like a scratch track of her singing it before when they played the song when the music director like was having a rehearsal with me. He was like, "Do you want to hear like a version of it?" And I said, "I actually don't because she's so like iconic in her sound and in her phrasing of things that I didn't want to be tempted to like accidentally copy her." So I really just knew
Sure.
the song as with Tom Kitt's version and arrangement and how we did it in our show for the longest time. And then I think the first time I heard her version was when she did her acoustic concert at the Apollo, like
Mm.
right before we opened. Is that right?